It's time. It's time. It's time. Nature Talk, episode 21. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. It's been a long day for me. I'm tired, but I gotta keep fighting. I'm going through some adversity right now. I'm going through some challenges, but I choose to endure. I choose to press to the other side. And the other side is success. I'm here at my spot. This is my spot where I come and think, meditate, clear my mind. As you can see, the water is going into the right direction. It's a beautiful day. But my topic for this Nature Talk episode 21 is simple. Rope-a-dope, rope-a-dope, rope-a-dope. For those that don't know what the rope-a-dope is, on October the 30th, 1974, Muhammad Ali fought George Foreman as the challenger for the heavyweight title of the world. Ali was coming off a decision win off of Joe Frazier, and George Foreman was 40-0. Most of his victories coming by way of knockout. Ali was the underdog. Now, George Foreman's style was more of a seek and destroy, come forward, bull-like style. He pretty much ran you over. He knocked Joe Frazier down, I believe, 5 times. He ran through Ken Norton in the first and second round. So Ali didn't have a chance. And on this night, Ali invented the rope-a-dope, which is pretty much Ali will lay on the ropes and block George Foreman's punches while also fighting off the ropes. See, most people think the rope-a-dope is all about blocking the punches. No, it's about blocking and fighting off the ropes. And eventually, George Foreman got tired, and Ali eventually knocked him out in the 8th round, regained the heavyweight title that was stripped from him, becoming a second-time champion. And in life, when you're going through tough times, like I am right now, difficulties, adversities, and challenges, you got to lean up against that rope and block those punches, block those adversities, block those challenges, and counter with the jab, the hook. And you got to stand with your hands raised as the champion. Whenever you're going through a situation, you got to rope-a-dope. Whenever you're going through adversity, you got a rope-a-dope. Whenever you're tired, you got a rope-a-dope. Take those punches, take those adversities, and start countering those adversities and those challenges. I'm speaking to myself right now. The message is going to me first right now. And then it goes to you. So I encourage you today, whatever you're going through, rope-a-dope, rope-a-dope, rope-a-dope. And I encourage you to watch the historical night when Ali fought George Foreman in 1974, October the 30th, to regain the heavyweight title for a second time. I encourage you to watch that fight. It's my favorite fight of all time. I never get tired of watching that fight. And I have a picture of that fight with one of the actual tickets and also an engraved summary of the fight. So I encourage y'all today. Rope-a-dope, rope-a-dope, rope-a-dope. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your week. Until next time, it's time, it's time, it's time. Nature Talk, episode 21. Enjoy your day.